Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna create your Gmail account without a phone verification. So this is the easiest way to create your Gmail account without a phone verification, but first of all you need one first account in your phone. So then once you have your account in your phone, I recorded a video showing you how to do this process, but it's not the same. I showed the first method in my last video. I will leave the link here so you can try this video, you can try this method. Then if it didn't work, you can try the another one method. So now to do the process is really easy, but before, make sure to subscribe on my channel and then let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go on Play Store. So to show you that I have already one account, all right, so I have already one account created. So let's choose here Gmail. Okay, so install Gmail. So I will so you need to install this app here. You need to install it. So once you install it, you're gonna open it. Once you install it, the Gmail, you're gonna open it. Okay, so after you open it, Gmail account, after you install it and you add your first account, you're gonna click on this icon here. You're gonna click on it. Okay, so then you're gonna click on add account. Okay, so now here you're gonna click on Google. Click on Google. Okay, now you're gonna type your pin or your code to open it. So once you did it, so remember guys, to do this process you need one account in your phone. Then the another account that you will create, it will not need a phone verification. So here you're gonna click on create account. Okay, okay, type your name here. J. Okay, good. And type the password here. As you can see guys, I just created one Google account here without phone verification. Okay, right guys, as you can see, so again I just created one Google account without a phone verification, and I will use the account that I've just created. This one here, this one here. All right guys, so this I've just received an email from Google about this account. So you can create more and more Google account without phone verification from here. All right, just do the same process, and then you will create unlimited Gmail without phone verification. This is a really easy step, really easy method to do the process. Is really easy and doesn't need any confirmation, any Google account, any email to confirm to create your Gmail account. So to do this process is really easy, and then you're gonna create it unlimited Gmail account. All right, okay. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and see you on, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and see you on the next video.